Alright everyone, in this video we will be creating the player turret as well as making it able to respond to mouse controls. So let's go ahead and get started. As always, we're going to add an object, and it's going to be a sprite object. I'm just reading the directions on the tutorial. Select sprite. Next we will go ahead and edit the object. You can go ahead and click ... and get to edit object from there. And we're going to add an animation. This is where we're going to add the picture of our turret. So I saved it in images, and here's my turret. Awesome. Now I'm going to head and give it a name called turret. Notice it's all lowercase, so I'm going to keep mine all lowercase as well. Capitalization matters. Now this part tells us how to add a turret to the scene. I'm going to click and drag. So here we go. Here is my turret. Now currently, if I was to preview the scene, nothing would happen. I see my turret, awesome. I move my mouse around, nothing happens. This is because we don't have any conditions. We do not have any events. Let's go to events. Let's go ahead and add a new event. And well, currently what we want to happen is we want this turret to respond to where our mouse is continuously. So there's no condition. We want it to happen constantly. So all we have to do is add an action. That action is going to be under common action for all objects. We want basically the turret to rotate toward wherever our mouse is. So rotation should be under angle. We want to rotate toward position. What do we want to rotate? The turret. Now, where do we want the turret to rotate towards? Well, we can't really give a hard-coded x and y value because our mouse changes position constantly. So our x and y position depend on the mouse position. So there is a function called mouse x. So we're going to use that, mouse x. And that will get the x and y position of the mouse. So mouse x parentheses will get x position, mouse y parentheses will get y position. And as always, you can find more expressions right here. Now for angular speed, this basically determines how fast our turret rotates. For example, if I put 100, and let's preview that scene, then basically it turns 100 degrees per second. But if I set it to 0, as we can see in the comments, 0 for immediate rotation. Let's preview. So notice, no matter where my mouse is, the turret immediately turns to where that is. Awesome. That concludes this video. In the next video, we'll show how to shoot bullets.